Hello to all my friends out there and happy Cinco de Mayo. So I want to celebrate Cinco de Mayo, but of course I don't want to spend much money. Why should I? I want to be festive. So I'm having a 33-cent burrito and I have some sour cream. I buy this for $1 and salsa. I stockpile this. This is good. I put some salt on my burrito. Yummy. So, okay, it's Cinco de Mayo. I want to be festive, but I'm not going to the casino for two reasons. One, drunken driving out there. And two, we have a measles epidemic here. Oh. That is good. Okay. I haven't had a measles vaccination since I was a little kid. And it's possible that your vaccinations can lose potency. It's possible this could be a new strain of the measles, and it's possible that people are not having their kids vaccinated, which is nuts. And it's possible that some of these measles are coming in through the country. People coming into the country are not vaccinated. And so we got a measles epidemic, so you have to be careful. Most things, if you are really careful about washing your hands and you watch where you are, that's going to help. You don't want to get yourself exposed. Okay, so 33 cents. These are like 5 cents. So, this is cheap. Okay, I'm following a bunch of prepper channels now, and one of the preppers I'm following is TJ Prepper. And last night she did a live stream, and she made a really awesome burrito. So I put it on my Twitters for you guys to check it out. And I'm going to be picking up some of her ideas. Like one of her ideas is her salsa. She grinds Rotel tomatoes in the blender. I never thought of that. I'm going to try that pretty soon too. So check out the awesome burrito recipe. For another thing, the awesome burrito recipe does not cost much, and you can make giant burritos and freeze them, which is smart. Okay, I have an awesome burrito recipe myself. Okay, fried chorizo. I buy this for $1 in a little oil, and then you have to get your chorizo done. You don't want to undercooked chorizo. So what you do is you fry it on low in a little oil, and then when you're sure it's cooked down, what I do is I move it to one side, and then I tip the pan and I blot the oil with paper towels. And so, okay, my chorizo is done. Then I take margarine and I scramble eggs. What I do is for each egg I add a little milk. 2 eggs, I add a little milk. And I scramble the eggs. I pour the eggs in the pan, and when they're cooked on the one side, on the bottom side, I dot the eggs with chorizo because I don't want my eggs being taken over by the chorizo. If it's too much chorizo, to me it doesn't taste that good. A lot of people, if you have leftover baked potatoes, you can chop those and put those in your chorizo burrito to make more. And that's really delicious too. So, and then also on the TJ Prepper video, she put her burritos in the microwave for like 10 seconds to soften them up, which is kind of easier. What I would do is I would heat them in a dry pan, which is more time consuming. So there's 2 really good Cinco de Mayo recipes for you guys. And so I'll resume gambling on Tuesday, which is Senior Citizen Day. And I want to mention one other thing. On my phone I have the CBS app, sports app. So I can go out, I can be shopping for my eBay, or I'll be walking around the mall and I can watch the Kentucky Derby right on my phone. You don't have to be at home in front of the TV anymore to watch stuff. So it's really great. And then when I get home, I can watch it on the big screen if I want. So I just wanted to mention the sports app to you guys. So happy Cinco de Mayo, and I will be back, and God bless you all.